Hi, I'm David Ollila, President and Chief Innovation Officer for SkyPoint Ventures. Today I'm in Kalamazoo, Michigan, and over my shoulder you can see new construction being blended alongside buildings that have been here for hundreds of years. Michigan is blending old and new technologies, old technologies, our steadfast tradition in manufacturing and our new capabilities in advanced manufacturing at a very micro level. And a perfect representation of that is Deepak Revindra of MicroLAM, whose company embodies this philosophy. Hey, Deepak.
Hey, David.
How are you?
Good, thank you.
I'm here to learn about MicroLAM.
Cool, let me show you the space.
That'd be great, thank you. I want to hear the elevator pitch of MicroLAM.
Currently, there are several challenges to machine optics. So we address all of these challenges by simply shining a laser through a series of optics and a diamond tool, and we're able to machine extremely hard materials that way.
So if I understand this right, you're taking lasers, shining them through optics, and ultimately through a diamond. Please show me more. Can we go look in your office?
Absolutely, excited to do so.
Fantastic. So these are the units. So explain to me what these are.
We design everything and we have laid it all out. So we hide the laser here, and then it's delivered through a fiber, and that fiber then is plugged in, takes a large beam and it converges it, and it becomes a really small spot. So at the end here where your tool is, it basically becomes 200 to 300 microns of a spot size. And in perspective, that's about 2 to 3 hairs, human hairs.
So this is fascinating, but when I start to think really hard, I get thirsty and hungry. So I want to learn more about you, the company, the technology you're working on.
Sure.
So I understand there's a donut shop down the street. Can we go hit that up?
Sure,
Great.
donuts are cool.
Let's do it.
Yep.
After you.
All right.
Tell us a little bit about the path. So you had this idea. Where did you get the resources, both from a business support perspective and then also from a financial perspective?
Sure. So the first challenge is, where do you start your business? For me personally, I had a very good network here in Michigan. I lived in the Cambridge area. I lived in Palo Alto for a bit. But I did see a startup-friendly environment here in Michigan. And very few states, you can see that the academia, the angel investors, and the state programs are all well connected. Currently, within our investors, we have state funding us. We also have angel investors funding us, but they all work together. And there's usually a significant disconnect when you go to other states. Michigan was well known for, and still well known for, advanced manufacturing. We are proving that we can do cutting edge technology. We have over 80% of our suppliers here in Michigan and still have a very healthy business right here in Portage, Michigan.
We know the MEDC, the Michigan Economic Development Corporation, does things from talent attraction, advanced manufacturing, mobility, all the way down through their work with the smart zones and the SBDCs of the state. Tell me where you were able to access and maybe a little bit about some of those interactions.
Right. So in all different levels, so these smart zones and incubators are not just set up for space, but they're set up with an in-house mentor that helps you. They're set up with legal expertise, they're set up with accounting expertise, and MEDC has several great programs that you're able to leverage as startups. And I wouldn't say start running, but start jogging. The investors are always going to look for risk assessments related to the startup. And MEDC, through their programs, they do a great job by de-risking the investors and the startup and bridging those gaps. And that way we've been able to leverage all the MEDC programs.
Deepak has an incredibly inspirational story where he's leveraging multiple resources and assets from across the state to develop advanced manufacturing technology that will have a global impact here in Kalamazoo. Deepak, thank you so much for the tour, the donut, the coffee, and most importantly, seeing lasers shine through diamonds and machine things.
Thanks, David. Thanks for visiting us, and thanks for hearing our story.
Thank you, and enjoy your ride to the top.
Yep, thank you.